So I think I mentioned in a previous video that I'm currently working on creating cinematic type of shots. So in previous tests I've been using hyper smooth, and recently I've been changing the aspect ratio to 4:3 and then cropping. Had some success with that, but still looks very hyper smooth like, which, you know, it's cool. It still looks like stable. I'm not a big fan of digital stabilization, but in FPV you kind of take what you can get, right? All right, quick rant. After posting the hyper smooth video, even before that, noticed a lot of people kind of like talking trash about people that use hyper smooth, and why don't you just learn how to tune your quad and all this kind of stuff. Anytime you have kind of new technology coming around, you're always going to have people that's going to say that it's a cheat. Why can't you just do things the old way? First off, I don't know. PID tuning in and of itself, I mean, at its core is not even difficult. I'll make another video about that. But one, if you use hyper smooth, you still need to tune your quad. It will look like crap without a tuned quad. Two, I can almost invariably tell when somebody is not using hyper smooth or some kind of stabilization. I don't care how good you are on the sticks. Stabilized footage has a certain look to it that even with the smoothest of hands, still just can't be duplicated. And the thing about it is, it's not an end-all be-all, right? The point I'm trying to make is there's more to understanding the technological aspects of this hobby than just the quad itself. You also need to learn the technical aspects of filmmaking and photography so that you can know when to use or when not to use all of the tools or any of the tools that are at your disposal. That's all it is. That's all it is. Creativity is about making choices. You cannot make a choice if you do not understand the variables. So understand the variables, and then based on whatever you're trying to accomplish on any given day, use that knowledge to the best of your ability. That's all I'm saying. I'm about to lose light, so let me get to this and we'll talk next time. This is cool. Oh, one other thing. So I usually will record as much as I can, and then, you know, the magic is in the editing. I might put out a video, but the footage has been recorded like weeks before. With that being said, over this last month, I've been a part of this Hypetrain 10-10 program. So we push the product, we get a cut of the sales. Yes, we do get a cut of the sales. So yes, if you buy Hypetrain motors, use my promo code Hypetrain, GEEYOU01, then I get 10% of the cut. You get a 10% discount, and all is right with the world. I don't typically push products or anything like that, but if you're somebody that already uses Hypetrain motors, or you know, you shop at rotorriot.com, just try out my promo code. You know, it helps me out. At the end of this, the person who, I guess, performs the best can win a full-on Hypetrain sponsorship, so y'all also help me in that regard. But, you know, do what you're gonna do. I'm just throwing it out there. If you wanna help me, fine. If not, it's cool too. But please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, comment, let me know, you know, let me know if there's something else you want to chat about. I want to start giving back more. So if new people, if you're new to FPV, you know, let me know what struggles you're having, and maybe we can talk about it here. Just an idea. Anyway, all right. I'm gonna lose light. So, see the new haircut? No, anyway, gonna get to some flying. All right. I'm not gonna do that. This is a fisheye lens. That's why I always know, but I'm not gonna do that because my palm print will be all over that, and that's not cool. Then I'll be cleaning it, and I don't. All right, peace. I wasn't recording. So when I talk about embracing new technology, I'm not only talking about hyper smooth. You know, we have what DJI just came out with HD FPV, and everybody's just trashing it right off the bat without even trying it. You know, I mean, I personally haven't used it. It's probably cool. Unless I got my hands on it and really tinkered with it to see if it fits into what I do, you know, I'm not gonna trash it, but you know, I can't, you know, vouch for it either, you know? So just, I don't know, it just frustrates me when people form opinions without actually digging into it, right? So like with the hyper smooth thing, not even just hyper smooth in general, like learn about photography, learn about video, learn about tuning, learn about all of it, you know? As much as you can get your hands on, figure it out, see if it works for you. Then if not, you know, go back to doing what you were doing before. Whatever makes you happy. That's the whole point. Whatever makes you happy, just go ahead and do it. Figure out what your goals are, then figure out what you can use to help you achieve those goals. So, anyway, that first pack, I was super nervous because it's a new build. I got a couple of quick laps and then I went right over the water because I have problems. So I'm gonna calm down, get another pack in, working on cinematic flights. So not too many flippy floppies. We'll see how it goes. All right.